Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Advanced Knowledge Graph Techniques, Reasoning and Inference. Imagine a giant web connecting everything you know. That's a knowledge graph. It's a database storing facts as nodes, like Leonardo da Vinci, and relationships between them, like painted, the Mona Lisa. As developers, we can use this to build smarter apps. Reasoning is like a detective solving a mystery. Given Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa, and the Mona Lisa is a famous painting, a knowledge graph can reason that Leonardo da Vinci painted a famous painting. This is done through algorithms that follow the connections in the graph. Inference is like making an educated guess. If the graph knows all Italians are passionate about food, and Leonardo da Vinci was Italian, it can infer Leonardo da Vinci was passionate about food. This isn't always true, but it's a likely conclusion based on the data. Deductive reasoning is like applying rules. All men are mortal. Socrates is a man. Therefore Socrates is mortal. Inductive reasoning is making generalizations from observations. Every swan I've seen is white. Therefore all swans are white. This one is famously false. We'll explore both in knowledge graphs. Developers use specialized databases like Neo4j or Amazon Neptune to store and query knowledge graphs. These databases are optimized for finding connections between data, unlike traditional relational databases. Let's build a tiny knowledge graph using Python and a library like NetworkX. We'll represent nodes and relationships, and then explore basic reasoning tasks. Knowledge graph reasoning powers many applications. Recommender systems, Netflix suggesting movies, fraud detection, identifying unusual patterns, chatbot assistance, providing more accurate and context-aware responses, and much more. Handling incomplete data, managing scalability, and ensuring accuracy are ongoing challenges. We'll discuss the latest advancements in this exciting field. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.